I do not know if you can see this. You see that? Alright, listen. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? A rock hit the window down here. And it is cracking all over the freaking door. What the fuck? This is crazy. I have never seen this before. I know it happens to car windows, but I have never seen this happen. What the fuck? This is one of my sliding doors. Oh my God. It just happened. I heard the rock hit it, but I started hearing this crunching sound. Listen, 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 listen. Can you hear it? Man, birds, shut up. Can you hear that? Oh my God. It's cracking. It is spreading like, what the hell? Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you serious right now? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is going to... Oh my God. Oh my God. Listen to it. It's still going. Oh my God. It sounds like it sounds like ice cracking. If anything touches it or anything, it'll probably just shatter. It sounds like ice. It sounds like sleet. That's what it sounds like, sleet. Listen. Can you hear that? Okay, this is freaky. One rock. A rock hit it and it's shattering. It spread it over the whole damn door. What the fuck? I gotta call my neighbor.